Happy Easter, everybody. This is Mama Soul Kitchen with Cooking with Granny, and we are going over our turkey wings, our baked turkey smothered wings, everybody. Here we go. Hello, everybody. Look at this. We are doing oven turkey wings, everybody. Smothered turkey wings. So we're going to go ahead. I'm going to show you guys what we did in the process. But right now we're rubbing all of our turkey meats with all these wonderful flavors, okay? The soft flavors and the parsley and all that good old stuff, okay? So we're going to make sure everything is all tucked in nicely. We have a few onions in here as well. But we're going to make a nice gravy that's very simple, everybody, okay? I don't know if you guys heard about it, but it's going to be a surprise, fast, easy gravy. No boiling flour on the stove and making a roux and all that. Now get out of here. I'm going to show you something really nice and simple. Now this is going in the oven under 425 degrees until it gets nice and golden brown. And then we're going to show you how to make this gravy next, you guys, okay? Make sure you guys get that boiled rice ready and get your cabbage cut and all that stuff. We're going to have some cooking, and we even have our candied yams over here in the pot. It's ready to go. All right, you guys. See you guys in a minute. All right, you guys. Here's the brown turkey wings. And I went on and made sure that they're nicely brown. Look at all them herbs and seasonings. That's flavor, everybody. That is actual flavor. Okay, that's what people are going to taste when they put it in their mouth. Now we're going to put this gravy on top. Now remember, we didn't boil nothing. We ain't sauteed no flour. We ain't made no roux. This is all you need to do here is lay this over on your wings, everybody. That's it. Then we're going to cover it up and let it cook again for another 30 minutes, everybody. Okay? And then it's going to be done. So you guys stay tuned for the finale of these turkey wings from Mama Soul Kitchen and Cooking with Granny. I guarantee y'all, nobody ain't gonna talk about you after church on these babies. All right, now. Oh, look at this, everybody. Let's go ahead and check this out, everybody. Be careful, because you can take the foil off. You don't want the steam to burn you. But look at this. Granny's kitchen right here. Ooh, look at that, look at that, look at that. Now that's what I'm talking about. Look at that. We let it cool off, everybody. Look at that gravy. Look at that. Just look at it. It goes perfectly with your rice, with your nice mashed potatoes, whatever it may be. This is what's happening, okay, you guys? Now look at all the flavors from all that formulated inside of this pan together. No sweat, nothing over the stove. Follow us on our YouTube channel for a lot more.